In today's video, I am going to share with you my journey with selling my vectors in Canva. If you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel teaches people how to use or draw in different graphics softwares like Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, and Procreate. I also teach people how to sell their art online in marketplaces to earn more passive income. Since the pandemic, I've been a new contributor to some of the stock vector websites just to see if I can make a decent amount of money or whether I can replace my regular 9-to-5 job by selling art that I make. I noticed I have some vectors that I have collected for months that I only uploaded to one marketplace, and I realized I needed to try out uploading to Canva. It was smooth and easy applying as a contributor, and uploading is also beginner friendly. So just go to this website, www.canva.com/contributors. And you will be directed to their contributor page. How it works is very easy. Once you sign up for their contributor program, they will review your application, and it usually is just a few minutes before they get back to you. As far as I remember, they didn't require much about you as an artist. They just need your info, most especially your payment method for when they are ready to pay you. They have payment options such as PayPal and Payoneer, so getting paid is easy. Once approved, you will be sent an email confirmation, and then you can start uploading your designs. You can upload photos, graphics, GIFs or stickers and video clips, so there are a lot that you can submit. Just make sure to read the guidelines before you start uploading so that you are not wasting your time and not get rejected. In the Contributor Hub or dashboard, everything is easy to follow. The first section is the upload section where you upload your designs. I'll show you an example on how to upload an artwork. I have a strawberry cheesecake vector that I created last night. It is in PNG format with 1500 px x 1500 px dimensions, created in Procreate. Once uploaded, just set your title and keywords that best describes your art. I make it a point to put at least 5 to 8 tags when I can on a single graphic. That way, people will easily find my art. Choose whether you want your art as a free item or a paid item. I always choose depending on how much time I spent creating the artwork. Remember, time is money. The second tab is called Inspiration. This is where you can find ideas on what is trending in Canva, depending on the Canva algorithm and searches. This way, it is easier to collect and brainstorm ideas that will prove to sell in the Canva marketplace. As you can see, along with the ideas and topics, it states what kind of art they prefer, what color, what keywords to choose, what color theme or color palette will sell best. So this section is really a very helpful way for you to make a collection. Once submitted, reviewing usually takes time, so I just create more products while waiting. I forgot to mention that you can also upload in bulk just in the upload section. It's easy. Just select multiple items from your folder or drive and it will upload everything in one click. Make sure to use proper title and tagging on each of the artwork though. I'll show you some of my items that I submitted on the Canva platform. They are simple graphics I created in Adobe Illustrator and some in Procreate. Always remember that in every graphics that you make sure they are in PNG format or with transparent background so users can use it anywhere they want. As you can see, my earnings are not that huge. I mean, it's not enough to replace a 9-to-5 job, but I am very happy with the growth. I started in August of last year, and then as months go on, my earnings continue increasing. I don't upload too much in Canva because I didn't have much time to create new graphics, as I still have my 9-to-5 job, and I am also a busy mum to a teenager. So uploading new items is always a struggle. I think I only upload once or twice a month, with about 10 items per upload. So you can just imagine how much you can make if you upload more consistently. Also, I think Canva is also more popular with templates, so if you have a knack for creating template designs for business people, for example banners, Facebook ads, YouTube thumbnails, I believe you will earn more than I did. This is a 6-month journey with Canva, and I am pretty happy seeing my earnings grow. And this year, my goal is to upload my graphics and photos and learn how to contribute templates as well, and will do my best to upload more consistently. So this is my 6-month journey with Canva as a contributor. If you like these videos, please like and comment, it will be highly appreciated. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I will be uploading more videos like these in the next few days, so hit the notification bell so you're always updated. Thank you and see you on the next video.